Hello everybody and welcome. Today I'm interviewing Robin Parson. Robin is the wonderful accordion player with the band Gan Ainm, and he should be sitting here beside me, but I'm in Ireland and Robin is in Seoul, but nonetheless we're going to do the interview anyway. So Robin, you're very welcome to our interview of the month. Great to see you again.
Hi Trish.
Okay, Robin, so you have your accordion there beside you. Can you just show it to us there, Robin? It's very interesting.
This is a C# D button accordion. It's got 2 rows of buttons here. This row is in D, this one's in C#. And for Irish music you would mostly play on the D row, but you occasionally cross to the C# row for incidentals. On the left hand side here we've got the basses. And it kind of works like a harmonica, whereas as the air goes through the accordion in different directions it makes different notes. So you can make different notes by pushing and pulling the accordion. This one would be fairly old. The accordion itself is from around late 40s, early 50s, so it's 70 years old, I guess. Getting on for 70 years old, and the reeds in the right hand would be even older. They'd be from the 1920s, from a different kind of accordion. They were taken out and put into this one.
And Robin, can you tell us a little bit about the history of this instrument?
These have been around since like 19th century sometime, I think. They probably started as piano accordions, and there's a variation on that would have turned into a button accordion. They're quite popular around Europe and a lot of different folk music styles, and different countries around the world would use them as well.
Okay, and Robin, how did you come to be playing this instrument?
Both my parents play the accordion, so I kind of grew up listening to people playing it. My dad would play Irish music on it, and my mum would play English music. They played like different kinds of accordions and different styles. I wasn't really into that when I was growing up, but when I was about 21 or 22, I got into listening to the music and I started playing it myself. So we're playing, getting on for 8 years now, I think.
Okay, and Robin, would you mind just playing a little bit of a tune for us, just so we can hear the sound and just savour it a little bit? Teaching us some of the secrets of the trade. Can you just maybe, like how do you do triplets, or how do you do a roll, how do you do a cut? Can you just show us a few little tricks like that? You know, I'm sure a lot of people a lot of our viewers are curious.
There's different ways of doing rolls. You kind of one button, then using the outside row, which is like a semitone below and semitone above. You can do triplets on one button. You can do octaves. You do kind of cuts. You call them like. So there's quite a variety of different stuff you can do.
And Robin, how is it, can you show us that button there on the side? What is that for? Can you just maybe explain how that works?
Yeah, so got this white button here, is like the air release button. So use it to open and close the bellows, and let air in and out. You kind of want to keep the bellows a certain distance open the whole time you're playing, otherwise you could run out of air and not be able to play anymore. So when you're playing the whole time you kind of use your thumb to keep it around the mid-level. Then also on my melodian here, it's a similar setup, but the air button is on the back here. It's like a spoon. The difference being you'd play it with this part of your hand where you're playing. You just kind of.
Okay. Thanks, Robin. And Robin, how much? Like, if I wanted to learn the accordion and I wanted to buy an accordion like that, how much would I pay for it?
So I guess an accordion like this would probably be around $700 for a new one. Then the price range would go up quite a lot if you're getting a better make or a more famous brand of accordion. It would be up into probably $3,000 or $4,000, $5,000 or something. But this is a kind of entry level instrument, so buying them new would be about $700. You get them a lot cheaper if you wanted to get one second hand or to get one in a different key.
Okay. And Robin, where can I buy that type of accordion? Can I buy it in Seoul? Do I have to buy it online? And do I have to go to Ireland to get it?
You can get them in Korea, but I think you would struggle to find one in this key or in a key suitable for Irish music. So I'd say you're best off if you're on your holidays in Europe somewhere, trying to track one down or getting one off the internet.
Okay. And Robin, if I imagine I live in Seoul and maybe I'm very young or maybe I'm retired and I want a new hobby, where could I get lessons on the button accordion if I wanted lessons on the button accordion? Are there any teachers in Seoul? Do you teach?
There'd be a few people who play the accordion around Seoul, so there wouldn't be any professional teachers that I know of anyway, but I'm sure if you approached myself or one of the other box players, they'd be able to give you pointers or give you lessons if you're interested in that kind of thing.
Okay, great. And Robin, do you have any advice for people that are interested in accordion?
I guess if you're thinking of learning the accordion, the best thing to do would be listen to accordion players first and kind of choose a style you'd like to learn, because there's this is C# D. There's also BC accordions, which are in a different key, and they work the same in principle, but they're a little bit different kind of sound, a different style of playing. So it'd be a good idea to buy or choose an accordion based on the style of the music you like to play, rather than buying one and then finding it's not quite suitable for what you wanted to play. But they're fairly straightforward instruments to learn. They're not too complicated, and I'd say you'd probably take to them pretty quickly.
Okay, great. And Robin, maybe some people, maybe they're just wondering, if they want to learn or not. But where can people go nowadays in Seoul? Where can they go if they want to hear Irish music? Are there a lot of sessions? I know there were some in some places, but can you tell us a little bit about the sessions that are on nowadays in Seoul?
Yeah, there's a good group of musicians around Seoul playing music and stuff, so there's not really a shortage of musicians or opportunities to play. There's a Facebook group called Let's Have an Irish Session, which posts all the details of sessions and stuff going on, so that's a good place to look if you're looking to find music. Then there'd be various regular sessions on throughout the month in different bars around the place. So we play Gan Ainm is a group I play with, probably making a video for. We play in City Hall maybe once or twice a month, and we play in different venues around Seoul quite frequently.
Okay. Well, thank you very much, Robin, for that. That was most interesting. And anyway, thank you so much for viewing today. As I said, I'm in Ireland and Robin is in Seoul, but I'll see him soon. My flight was delayed, so that's why we're doing the interview under these circumstances. So thank you very much, and thank you for viewing.